Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you arithmetic progression part 2. In previous part of arithmetic progression, I have teach you how to find nth term of an AP, and the formula was nth term formula was an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and we have done some question on the basis of this formula. This is called the formula for nth term. In this video, I am going to teach you how to find sum of n terms of an AP. That is, so that we are going to find sum of n terms. So this is the formula for sum of n terms. You know, as it is called sum of n terms, and the formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and you have remembered that a is the first term of an AP and d is the common difference of the same AP. Now I can modify this formula a little. N by 2, you know, 2a can be written as a plus a and rest of the material as it is. Now see this term, a plus n minus 1 into 2 can be written as an. So we have Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. So this is another formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. So we will use these two formula according to the situation along with the nth term formula. So keep watching for the questions. See this question. Find the sum of this AP. You know this is AP because 32 minus 34 you have minus 2. 30 minus 32 minus 2. It means common difference is minus 2. So this is an AP. So we have to find the sum of all terms. This is your first term A and this is your last term AN or nth term. But you don't know number of terms in this question. So first of all you have to find number of terms n, because without finding n you cannot find the sum. So we have a is equal to 34 in this question. Nth term, that is last term, is 10 in this question. Common difference is second minus first, that is minus 2. And first of all we have to find n, then only we can find Sn. So this is the chart of this question, that this way we will do this question. First of all we will use nth term formula to find n. So what is nth term formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we are putting the value of an, that is 10, the value of a, that is 34, and we have to find, and d we have minus 2. Now 10 minus 34 we will get minus 24, and this minus 2 can be taken here and we have n minus 1. So this way 12 is equal to n minus 1, and by adding 1 and we are having n is equal to 13. It means 34 to 10 there are 13 terms. So now we have calculated n. Now we can find Sn. So we can use both the formula for Sn as I have told you, but the second formula is little easy because we have n and an. So by putting that formula, n by 2 a plus an. So how many terms are there? Are 13 terms, and is 13. Then what is the value of a? We have 34, and what is the value of an? That we have 10. Now 13 upon 2 into 44, and you can cancel 22 by multiplying 286. So this is your n term sum. So for more question keep watching. Now see this question. The first term of an AP is 5. So note a is equal to 5. The last term is 45, that is an is equal to 45, and sum of n terms, that is Sn, is 400, and we have to find number of terms, that formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. So Sn is 400 and we have to find a is 5 and this is 45. So 400 n upon 2, this becomes 50 and cancel 25 and n is equal to 16. So we have got n is equal to 16. Now we have to find d. So we can use nth term formula. So nth term formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We will use this formula. So an we have 45 and a we have 5. Then n we have just calculated 16. So 16 minus 1 and d now we have to calculate. 45 minus 5 40 and here we have 16 minus 1 15d and d is equal to 40 upon 15. So it means d is equal to 8 upon 3. So this way we have calculated d 8 upon 3 and n we have calculated 16. Our question is done. So for more question keep watching. Now we have another question. How many terms of an AP? The AP is given. You can take like this dash dash dash. So this AP is given. So how many terms we have to take from this AP to get the sum 116? So first of all we have an AP. So note down what is A, that is 25. And what is your common difference? So 22 minus 25, that is minus 3. It is your common difference. And number of terms we have given Sn is equal to 116. So we have to find the number of terms. So now use formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn 116 n by 2 2a, that is 25, plus n we have to find n minus 1 and d is equal to minus 3. Now we can bring 2 here, 232 and n. This will become 50 and minus 3 into n minus 3 and n plus 3. So 232 is equal to n 53 minus 3n. Now you can, so 232 is equal to 53n minus 3n square, 3n square minus 53 and we can bring it on left and 232 equal to 0. Now we have to use the middle term formula because we have a quadratic equation. So we can write like 24n minus 29n plus 232 equal to 0. You know how to solve quadratic equation. Now we can take 3n common. So n minus 8, then minus 29 common. So you will have n minus 8 equal to 0. So n minus 8 and 3n minus 29 equal to 0. So we have either n is equal to 8 and if we are putting this, so n is 29 upon 3 which is not valid. So finally we have number of terms n is equal to 8. So this way we have solved the question. For last question please stay watching. This is very specific question. In such question Sn is given, that the sum of n terms is given in terms of n, that is Sn is a function of n. So it is just like quadratic equation in n and we have to find that term. So see the category of the question. Number of terms given, number of you can say the sum of n terms is given and you have to find number of terms, like that is 25th term. So we have a formula an is equal to, with the sum Sn minus 1. This is the formula we are going to use. So we have to find, because 25 term, so we can write S25 minus S24. So how to find S25? You have to put n is equal to 25 to this. So 6 into 25 and minus 25 whole square. So this is your S25, and how can you get S24? So put n is equal to 24. So 6 into 24 minus 24 whole square. So after calculating, you see this is 150, this is minus 625 minus 144 and minus minus plus 576. So first of all add plus quantities 6, 12, then minus quantity, then minus. So this is bigger number. So minus 43. So this is your 25th term. So this way you can solve this question. So for more videos, keep watching. Thank you very much.